and today I will going to show you how to make your PC faster. So we need a program called a Glary Utility Tools, which is the program that capable of making your PC faster. I will explain later how Glary utilities do it. So just first you will download and install the Glary utility. So and just click the link in the description below. I will be posting the link here, and as you can see, I'll post this link and just download it and find the download button at the very bottom. So download it. Things left out of my mouth. So just download it, and it comes with a zip file. So if you're on Windows 8, you don't have to download a third-party application called the WinZip. But if you're on other Windows like Windows 7, Windows XP, you can download this one, WinZip, and enter. Maybe that's the reason when you talk, when you sleep. And the size of the file was 14 MB. It is just quick. You just wait for that to finish. And love affecting me. Let these little things left out of my mouth. So I will just going to wait for the file, and I will show you what and third-party application that can open zip files. However, you can download WinRAR or other types of third-party application that capable of opening with zip and extracting it. So I guess it's about to be finished, and we'll just show you the. So WinZip is free for maybe a limited time, so it's free. Try it, just use it once, or you can buy now, but just try it. And me, I will go back because I will not download the WinZip, because the Windows 8 has a feature that can open zip files. As you can see, I'm on Windows 8. On Windows 8.1 also can open, so I can open it directly without downloading any of those third-party application. So it comes with a readme, and I will just read it for you. So it comes with a key, which is really cool, and let's try to install it and run it. So this download comes with a crack or a key that would be able to maybe activate this product, but this is not really recommended. And in my case, I will not include the activation in this video. I will split, or I will make another video how to activate this one with a respective keys that comes with the download. So that might be just easy. So if you want to find out how to activate Glary Utility Tools Pro, and you don't know how, however, it's so easy, and I will not going to update. So here is the Glary utilities, but I will not include also how we use the Glary utility, but I did just show you how to install and download it. So thank you for watching, and if this video helps you, and if you want to learn how to use it, just go with the link in the description below. You can find some videos there. I will post another video, so I will separate the couple videos, which is the activation and the what do you call that, the tutorial how to use the Glary to fasten your PC, to make your PC run smoother. So thank you for watching, and if this video helps you, just don't bother to subscribe, and you can go to my channel to watch more videos. I am making useful videos. I'm not making fake videos. So thank you again for watching, and see you in my next video. And if you have some questions and suggestions what video that I might create next, so in future, and I will do it as you wish if you comment down below. So see you in my next video.